Sweep is an agentic workspace for Salesforce where your team and metadata agents work together to analyze, build, and scale your GTM engine. Documentation agents create and maintain accurate documentation for instant insights into dependencies, impacts, and usage across your Salesforce environments. User support agents automate resolutions, improving SLAs and freeing admins and users to focus on strategy. Monitoring agents check for inefficiencies and take proactive action to prevent disruptions. Process agents automate workflows and resolve bottlenecks in your go-to-market processes. All of this comes together in Sweep's Visual Workspace, where your Salesforce processes are automatically mapped using metadata, data, and process mining, giving you a clear, editable view of how your GTM engine really works. From there, you can implement smart recommendations directly in Sweep to improve your Salesforce processes. Maintain data quality by automatically matching and merging duplicates. Improve speed to lead with automated routing. Keep deals moving with real-time alerts. And boost productivity with metadata agents. Sweep will help you stay ahead in the agentic era.